Hello and welcome, as today is Friday, the 14th day of June 2019. My name is Derek, and welcome to the Money Charts channel. All bets, trades of alike within each his own risk and their own reward. I'm going to title this video Bitcoin Dominance because this is really what today really is, as the green candle noticeable up move at 1.28%. Not as big as this one in here, which was 2.8, but most certainly a day in which cryptos are dominating, or Bitcoin's dominating over the other cryptos. It's only up 1.87%, but it is near the 8,400 handle. And if I look at the top gainers and losers on my playlist, I got losers: Binance Coin against the dollar down 8.5%, Sky Coin against Bitcoin down 8, as is GRS and Mona. Go Coin 7.5, Theta's down 7.25, Komodo's down 7 and a change, Tron's down 6, as is DGB. ARK is down 5 2/3. DGB's down 4% against the dollar. Ethereum Classic down 4. Dash down 3.5. Neo's down 3. Litecoin's down 3 against Bitcoin. Ripple's down 2.5. Bitcoin Cash is down against Bitcoin 1.87%. And for the gainers in here, Chainlink is doing really well today, but we got Bitcoin at the top, 2%, and then we got Theta Fuel against Binance Coin, which doesn't count with the BNB crossing. And you got gold and silver hanging in there, doing very well at this point. But again, most of the cryptos in that of a down move. So let's go ahead and take a look at this on a technical analysis level. And I'm going to go over it very quickly because I covered a lot of it in yesterday's video as reasons why these moves what's going on should happen. And successful correctionary move, and it went down below the 18 lows. It's like whatever, it would have supported like the 30 period average of lows or the 40 period. I'm just saying that after this correctionary move, it managed to regain itself, and now I see it in the process of leaving the 18 average of highs. So a very nice setup along the way. And on the 4-hour term time frame, just a nice break here, getting above this level of resistance in this current period. Single hour term time frame, the breakout occurring at 8 o'clock in the morning, at least this next last leg. And it's just been in a phenomenal uptrend for quite some time. Since these lows on June the 9th, which is 5 days, the 18 average has been magnificent support along the way. And we last left off from their 8 o'clock, and we've barely gotten by that resistance high. And as we look again within the daily chart to put things into perspective, it's that being price action up to this area in here. And well, we were a lot more overextended on May the 14th at the price point of 8,300 than we are today at 8,400. As we were before, well above the 18 average of highs on that day. Now, it is just leaving, that was barely declining, now flat, and if it leaves it up, we'll start to resume the uptrend move higher. And when I see action holding and staying above this area for a significant period of time, then that tells me that that's even strengthens the setup, but it's very live now, today, this weekend, into the next week, for this to continue to accelerate higher, break above this resistance, and then on the weekly time frame, just another leg higher from this, what is so far but a four or so sideways moving, like 4 periods going sideways or so in here. And that'll be it. Just a quick little update video. As again mentioned, a lot of the other coins are getting their butts destroyed. Well, not destroyed. They just I mean, this is what I like because this gives me volatility. I've already made about 6, 7, 8 trades today already. And it's better for people trading crosses against Bitcoin because of the big moves. There's a lot more buybacks today because you're seeing all these 5, 6, 7% moves. But when you're trading coins, like one's down 8 and one's down 3, it's like a 5% move for me. But regardless of the fact, volatility is in store. There's been a lot of previous periods where volatility left a lot to be desired. And really, this entire bear market run didn't not as many nice lower highs in the altcoin community. But back in here, not much going on. And when we look at, I just remember back in this time frame in here from like all of October or the end of October and November, these moves where we had weeks where it was trading like 3-4% a week in volatility. And now, of course, we will most likely have a major increase in volatility on the up move going forward. And thank you for tuning in. And of course, it's not guaranteed it's going up, but to me, it's just high probability odds that that is the most likely event. Take care. Bye bye.